Hello all, I'm Bhavani Muthusamy, ALP astrologer. It's good to see you all through this video. Um, so I'm going to talk about the second marriages. So we have issues regarding marriages very often. We get questions out of it. But what is the real scenario is they are thinking that because of the person I married for the first time, I'm facing so much of issues in my life. So if I get divorced and get second marriage, will my life be happy? When will I get second marriage chances, or will it be fruitful, or it is going to be again a miserable life? So many questions regarding the second marriage. So all these are can be sorted out with the help of ALP astrology. Since the Lagna changes every 10 years and the Nakshatra changes for every 1 year, 1 month and 10 days, we have a lot of changes happening in our life. So when somebody is getting relationship issues with the first marriage, then we have to just see their horoscope, whether it is going to be a short-term issue or it is going to be a long-term problem in their life. If it is going to be a long-term problem and it shows in their horoscope that they are going to be divorced or they are going to be separated, only then we suggest just go through this divorce formalities. Unless and otherwise it is going to be this disputes is going to end in a year or two, then we ask them to wait for this 2 years patiently, that your life is going to be okay after this time with the particular date we used to give them. By this date it is going to over, and after that you are going to have a very peaceful life. So and second marriage is, with regards to second marriage, if it is not going to support the first marriage, it is not going to support you for the rest of your life, then we suggest them to get separated. There is no nothing to deal with this marriage, first time marriage, which is going to be supportive for your life. And the next question they'll be asking is, will my second marriage be helpful? Or is this again going to be an problematic marriage, or which is the right time for getting into second marriage? In some cases, even the second marriages will also be a long-term issue. So in that cases, we used to tell them, avoid getting into relationship now. It is not the good time to get into another relationship. Just wait for some years, or we'll just do the analysis and we'll tell them. So second marriages is not fruitful for everybody. In somebody's horoscope, it will be good after some nakshatra pada moves, after getting divorced, they may get a good life partner by marrying into a second marriage. So in that case, we suggest them to go for second marriage and it is going to be fine. So always have a consultation with ALP astrologer, or you just come and learn ALP astrology and take your own life decisions. And we suggest remedies, like when they are going through some problems in the first marriage, we used to tell them, just do the marriage for the second time with the same life partner. That is being a remedy in some scenarios. It is not going to work for everybody, so it has to be dealt with the horoscope analysis. So in some cases we used to tell them, just do the marriage again, remarry the same person, then the problems will be sorted out. So this is also a remedy for some of the people. So second marriages, when you are going through such a tough time with your marital relationship, think twice and consult an ALP astrologer, or there is a course going on in ALP astrology which is very basic and even the layman can learn it. Just attend the course for 15 days and you will be able to know whether going with the same relationship is going to do good for me, or shall I quit this relationship and get into a new relationship that is going to be better for me. Just take your own life decisions with the help of ALP astrology. Second marriages sometimes give most trouble things also. So to avoid getting into one more trouble, just think twice whether it is going to be a long-term issue or short-term issue, or whether you are going to be get separated. Just go with the astrology consultation and find a solution for that. Thank you.
ஜோதிடத்தின் பரிணாம வளர்ச்சி ALP ஜோதிடம். இதை படிங்க, உங்க வாழ்க்கை உங்க கையில.